So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a countdown timer link for any event that you can share anywhere you want. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for tickcounter.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. And once the site responds, it will ask here you're gonna see which says countdown, make your own timer to any event. There are multiple settings that you can use, and you can customize the time as well. Let's say here it is automatically selected to 1st of January of 2026. You can customize the backgrounds as well, and once you are done with your changes, you just simply hit make countdown and the link is generated. You can just simply copy the link or share it anywhere you want. And even the script href file have been also generated that you can copy and use on your projects as well. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.